In your previous class, I have discussed exercise 23.1, that is about relation among sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Now, I will discuss exercise 23.2. So at first, everyone see that sine theta whole square. This sine theta whole square. This equals to, we can write sine square theta. This is not equal to sine theta square. এটা খুব ভালো করে সবাই দেখবে। হিয়ার সাইন থিটা হোল স্কোয়ার দিস ইকালস টু সাইন স্কোয়ার থিটা, দিস ইজ নট ইকাল টু সাইন থিটা স্কোয়ার। অর্থাৎ এই সাইন থিটা স্কোয়ার এইভাবে লেখাটা কেউ লিখবে না, এটা অলওয়েজ কে লেখা হয় সাইন স্কোয়ার থিটা। দ্যাট মিনস সাইন স্কোয়ার থিটা ইকাল টু সাইন থিটা হোল স্কোয়ার। ওকে, so sin square theta means this is the total value of sin theta, that is whole square. Next, here we take a triangle, right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle means this angle is 90 degree right angle and other two sides are equal. This side and this side will be equal. That means if length of this side is x, then length of this side will be x. Then by Pythagoras we can find the length of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse equals to root over perpendicular square plus base square. This equals to root over x square plus x square. This equals to root over 2x square, that is root 2 into x. Okay. Again, if these two sides are equal, then their opposite angles will be equal. That means this angle and equals to this angle. And again, this angle is 90. Therefore, measure of other two angles will be 45 because these two angles are equal. So measure of these two angles will be equal. Okay. Sum of three angles of a right angle triangle is 180 degree and this is 90 degree. So sum of remaining two angles, that is 180 minus 90, this equals to 90. If these two measure of these two angles are equal, therefore each angle will be 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. Okay. Then if we take this angle, then sine of 45, sine of this angle, everyone see that in this picture, sine of this angle. We know that definition of sine theta, here theta is 45 degree. Definition of sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So that is perpendicular means opposite side of this angle. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse and this is base. So sine 45 equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here length of perpendicular is x and length of hypotenuse is 2x. So root 2x. So x by root 2x, this equals to 1 by root 2. Similarly, we can find for cos 45. Definition of cos 45 degree, it will be base by hypotenuse. Base is x and hypotenuse is root 2x, that is 1 by root 2. And similarly, tan 45 degree, tan 45 degree is perpendicular by base, that is length of perpendicular is x and base is x, so x by x, this equal to 1. Okay, and in this way we can find the cosec 45, the sec 45, the value of cot 45. And similarly we can find value of sine 1 degree, sine 2 degree, sine 3 degree, sine 2.5 degree, sine 2.55 degree, infinite value of trigonometrical value of sine, cos, tan, cot. ঠিক আছে, এইভাবে আমরা কিন্তু যে কোনো ভ্যালু সাইনের আমরা বের করতে পারি। বাট এতগুলো ভ্যালু আমাদের মনে রাখা সম্ভব নয়, সেই কারণে আমরা অনলি কয়েকটা মানে 5খানা ভ্যালু আমরা কালেক্ট করব যেগুলো আমরা ইজিলিভাবে মনে রাখতে পারি। সেই 5খানা ভ্যালু দিয়ে কিভাবে আমরা সাইন, কস, ট্যান, কোসেক, সেক, কট এদের ভ্যালুগুলো বের করি তার একটা টেবিল আমি বানাবো। এভরিওয়ান সি দিস টেবিল কেয়ারফুলি। ওকে, at first we arrange all angles in the first row, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the first column we write down sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, all 6 values of trigonometry. Okay, and here the angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, মানে আমরা অনলি এই 5টা ভ্যালু আমরা মনে রাখবো, 5টা অ্যাঙ্গেলের ভ্যালু মনে রাখবো। আর কিন্তু আমাদের নেক্সট যেগুলো এদের মাঝে যে ভ্যালুগুলো সেগুলো মনে রাখার দরকার নেই, কারণ এত ভ্যালু তো মনে রাখা যায় না। অর্থাৎ সেই কারণে 5টা ভ্যালু দিয়ে আমি এখন তোমাদের এই ভ্যালুগুলো কীভাবে বেরো সেটা শেখাবো। সো অ্যাট ফার্স্ট ফর দ্য সাইন, sine 0 degree we can write root over 0 by 4. So root over 0 by 4, this equals to 0 by something 0, that is 0. Next, sine 30 degree root over 1 by 4. root over 1 by 4, that means half. Sine 45 degree, this is root over 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 2 and 4 will be eliminated, so that is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root over 1 by 2, root over 1 is 1 and root over 2 is root 2, 1 by root 2. Next, sine 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means root 3 by root over 3 by 4, this equals to, we can write root 3 by 2, and sine 90, that is root 4 by 4, this equals to 1, root 1 is 1. So everyone see that at first find the sine, the starting in this way, 0 root over 0 by 4, root over 1 by 4, root over 2 by 4, root over 3 by 4 and root over 4 by 4. Okay, then cos, the value of cos will be reverse of this sine, that means sine 90, value of sine 90 is 1, then cos 0 will be 1. Value of sine 30 is half, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, then cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Value of sine 45, 1 by root 2, then cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. Value of sine 60, value of sine 30, that is half, then value of cos 60 will be half. Then sine 0 is 0, therefore cos 90 will be 0. Okay. Similarly, tan equals to, we know that tan is sine by cos, so that is 0 by 1, 0 by 1 equals to 0, and tan 30, that is sine 30 by cos 30, sine by cos, so sine 30 by cos 30, half by root 3 by 2, this equals to 1 by root 3. Similarly, tan 45, it will be 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, that is 1. And tan 60, root 3 by 2 by half, this is root 3. And tan 90, 1 by 0, something by 0, that is undefined. Similarly, cosec, everyone know that cosec is the reciprocal is sine. That means suppose cosec 0 degree, cosec 0 degree will be 1 by sine 0 degree. Okay, so cosec 0, value of cosec 0 will be 1 by sine 0, that means 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is undefined. And cosec 30, that is reciprocal of sine 30, so it will be 2, and cosec 45, reciprocal of sine 45, root 2, and that is 2 by root 3, and that is reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1, that is 1. Similarly, sec is the reciprocal of cos, so that is 1, that is 2 by root 3, and sec 45, it will be root 2, that is 2, that is 1 by 0, that is undefined. Next, cot is the reciprocal of tan, so that is 1 by 0, it will be undefined. And this is root 3, and this is 1, and this is 1 by root 3 reciprocal of sine, 1 by undefined, that is 1 by undefined, that means this is 0. Okay, so everyone write down in your copy.